for coming to Crafting with Megan Luetta's video. And how's everyone doing today? Today we are gonna make this wall art. We're gonna add some things to it with napkins. We got this from Dollar General. It was on sale, so we thought we could make some out of it. Really cute for like a baby's room, or your bedroom, or in your living room, anywhere you want to put it. We painted it, so you would need some paint if your thing, whatever you have, has words on it. And also these are the napkins I've been using is this cute little bunny one that I've seen a lot of crafters use, and I thought it'd be really cute. And also a back piece I'm going to put onto this is this napkins. It's like plaid with all the colors that matches the bunny. You would need Mod Podge. I'm going to use some rope for this craft, a pair of scissors, and a brush of any kind you want to use for your Mod Podge. So, and that's all you need to use. Okay, now we'll put the napkin onto this part. I thought it would be really cute to put this whole piece onto here. So, when you do this, make sure you take the white piece on the back off. Let me see if it goes off. It don't want to go. There it goes. Remember to do it really easy. The white piece be like, it's a little layer and you just pull it off slowly. And also the other napkin you want to do this to where your bunny, the bunny you cut off too like this. And then after you take two pieces, you would just need this piece. I cut the middle piece off because it won't have no white pieces on the end. So we're going to put some Mod Podge onto this part and then we're going to stick it on. So let's start putting the Mod Podge on. So you want to just put, maybe not too much, but enough that it will stick. So I'm going to put it all around here. So, also I want to tell everybody on my crafting group, you can also, if you have any prayers, you can go underneath the prayer part and send your prayers so I can put it in my prayer jar. And I will pray for y'all, every single one of y'all. So please go and put your prayers there so I can see them and put them in my jar. And also, if you make this craft, please share it with me any way that you made it with different stuff. Please share with me. I would love to see all different crafts that people has made. It would mean a lot to me to see everybody's crafts. So I think that's enough. Just make sure it's spread out evenly. No lumps. So now we're going to get the piece. If you have some long, getting the bigger napkins would do, if it's this size, so do pretty good with it. I think that's good. I think so. Hold on a minute. I think I need some more Mod Podge on this side. Just smooth them out as best as you can. And also remember, crafting is not perfect. If everyone's is different in its own way. Definitely, I'm not good at crafts. I love making them, but sometimes my crafts do not work that great. But they're like little pieces of art. And I'm going to put some more on these sides because I guess I didn't put enough there because it didn't stick. So I'm going to place the areas where I put the podge. And then you'll just cut the outside of it off and you'll be ready for the next step. Now, after you trim off your ends right here, and now we'll put the bunny on. We're going to put the bunny on like we did the background. So, now we're going to take the bunny off and now we're going to put Mod Podge on. Maybe a little careful when you have the backdrop on. Make sure you don't put too much towel. Make sure you don't hit it, that will fall off. So let me see where I am going to go back. The bunny that I'm using, some of it's going to be cut off because it's a little bit too big, but I like the design of it, so I thought it'd be cute. Still do it, but some of it will not be on it. So I'm going to put it right here. So I need to start it, put it on, be easy with it. Don't do it rough because we don't want the background to come off. Okay, y'all? Remember that. Be soft, so it won't rip. So make sure I get the ends pretty good. You might hear my assistant in the background. He likes sit inside me when I'm making stuff. So you might hear him tipping-toeing everywhere. Just be really soft. I thought this might be a really simple craft to do today to show y'all. I have another video coming out how to make a leaf, but I'll get that to y'all soon. Still editing it and everything. So, I think that might be enough. So, the ends. I have to make sure I get all that. So, okay. Yeah, I think that's good. Let me get to what I want it to be. Right here. Then you slide it. So, be really easy. You might get some bubbles. So, it might be a little wrinkly, but it will still be good. And then after you do this, after it's dried, you'll want to cut the excess off and everything. So, trying to get all of it pat down. Okie, about got this. You can also use the little bunny. That would look cute if you don't want the big bunny on them. If it would go a little bit, you can add some decoration. Cute too. You could put a name on it if you want to. That'd be really cute. That got all that looks really good. You get the over there. A little bit there, and then I think all of it's make sure I didn't mess it up. Oops. Just pat it down. Oh well. Make sure it's on so I don't mess it up. Now we want to seal the top of this to make everything still together. So if it gets wet or something, you know, it will stay together. So now we're going to start it. Make sure you do it softly like the other time so none of it falls, you know, off of it. Okay, y'all? So I'm going to put it on and I'm going to do all of it. So I'm going to seal all of this and I'll come back. Final product. We decided to keep it like it is because my mom and I thought it'd be really cute to just leave the rope off because it's pretty just like it is. Also, if you do not want your bunny see-through, you could keep the white on. But whatever way you do, I think your project will turn out wonderful. There's a lot of different napkins you can get at Dollar General right now. And I guess you can buy them from Dollar Tree too. But this bunny one is from Dollar General. And you can see if Walmart has bunnies too. Because last year we got some bunny ones. So you can look around if you want a different kind of bunny. Or a different background on your board. Just look around. You might find this board on sale at Dollar General. We found it on sale half price. So I hope you'll have a lovely day. And remember, Jesus loves you. And thank you for watching. Bye.